It's time for me to go ahead and get back active. But this one of my day one clients. And I'm finna put him in the dope. I'm gonna put a little clip in here to show y'all what his haircut was like when we first started. Like, he was my first fade. I'm gonna show y'all what this shit look like. You feel me? He stayed down with me though. And we finna show y'all what we got popping right now though in 2021. Finna get my boy faded. Every time he come get in the shop and sit down and try, I come through for him every time, cause he came through for me when I needed him the most. And these clients, when y'all first starting off, y'all really gonna appreciate them for real. Now the camera didn't record me putting in the ball line and, deep bulking, but yeah, I see where the ball line at, you know what I'm saying? I put them in on my trimmers and we just going up, level all the way up with my Andes Masters, y'all can see. Y'all see how far I'm going up. And I used to fade with a brush, but like I feel like the comb, you gotta comb more, but it put them hairs in place so you can blend well. Now I'm dropping the halfway. And then we're gonna go second from closed, then we'll go all the way closed. And we blending out this line right here. We not balding it out. We blending it out, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep a blend on there. That's where your haircut come from. Cause we get done with this guideline, all we're doing is guard work. So this is the base of the fade. All you gotta do is make sure everything is blended in well. All I do is open, halfway, sometimes second notch to close and then close. And them the basic steps, but you still gotta know your clippers and work with them. Cause them same steps ain't gonna work for everybody's hair. Like one little piece of hair might only get out with, a certain notch on the clipper. So you gotta work with your clippers. Y'all see the wrist work? Y'all see my motions? I ain't just pushing up, you know what I'm saying? I'm actually, it look like I'm barely even moving my wrist. Like, it's really just thumb and wrist work, you know what I'm saying? Different manipulations with the clippers can get out different parts of the guidelines and different hairs, you know what I'm saying? It's all, like I said, it's all about knowing your clippers, your blades, and what can get out what. And they just come from consistently cutting. You're not gonna be chopping, overnight. You gotta learn your clippers. You gotta go through different clippers and see what you like and all this stuff like that. You popping your shit, nigga. And I got my clippers all the way open. We just gonna go up to the top of the fade. I think I deep bulk with a 1.5. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and get the foundation. But now we're going halfway. And then we're gonna go close. Take that guard off, do some detail work. Detail work don't mean take the guard off and just start doing stuff, you know what I'm saying? Actually, get your longest blade and go in there and try to get them smaller hair that you see. Like, once you start learning how to detail, I'm not the best detailing person, you know what I'm saying? I try my hardest though, you know what I'm saying? That's all it takes is a mindset to be like, I'm gonna actually sit here and figure out how to detail. I go watch Get Beam, study him like it's homework, 3 o'clock in the morning. Watch some old 360 Jeezy haircuts, E. Jones TV, and I see how they detail and they different methods, and I just add it to my game, I still do homework, Cashy T, Ty Barber Sign, Chuka Torres, all them, you know what I'm saying? I be looking at all them, trying to enhance my game. So it's all about getting them dark spots, keeping a fluent blend. You don't want the blend to be choppy and stuff like that. too much like how this how the quality on this side came out. So I just sped this part up so y'all can sit here and watch this side. Now the camera did pick up me putting in the guideline and debulking on this side, so I just speed this part up for y'all. But that's what the other side, that's where all the teaching from this video gonna come from. Then I'm gonna get y'all back up in the line to come on. So stay to the end of the video for sure. I used the babyless clippers for this side of the fade, but my Andes Masters cut way better on the other side, so that's why I use that side as the tutorial side. I'm gonna just sped this side up. But Andes Masters for sure gave me the blend that I was looking for. They said just by knowing what clippers, you know, I did this side first actually, and I see how I ain't like how it came out. I switched to other clippers, you know, gave me a better result. Now the lineup part, yeah, I know the most satisfying part, but it's real simple, but it's so hard at the same time. You know, I'm just gonna knock this down all the way closed, and make sure I don't, you know, snag no dreads or nothing like that. Just take it real slow. And as y'all can see, his corners are light, but that don't mean you panic or, you know, go back a lot. You know what I'm saying? Just keep everything low as possible and consistent, because once you hit them hairs, it's gonna be there. Like, trust the process for real. best holding spray in the game. They got to be glued. So we just about to hit this line with some of that and blow dry it. And we're gonna take this line up, you know what I'm saying, one hit at a time. Watch how consistent I be. We got that one hit, and we're gonna clean it up. That's the foundation. We're gonna stay as low as possible. We're gonna keep going. See how I'm at that corner, I ain't going up. I'm just keeping it consistent. As if all of her was the same density, the same thickness. You feel me? Now, when you didn't hit both sides, always go back and straighten it up, or hit any loose hairs, you can't get it first. Y'all see that blend? Y'all see that 90-degree angle on that line? Y'all see how boxed in he is? Like, this is natural, bro. Like, folks be talking about cutting with their hands, this, and that, but like, bro, I didn't need no hands on the cut, bro. You know what I'm saying? And the finished product is coming up, like in 3, 2, 1. Ugh. Yes, sir. We had to put some hands on that boy. You feel me? Y'all see that blend? Stop playing with the kid. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe.